Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a storage box with y'all through PatioWell, and I wanted to take a moment to thank PatioWell for sponsoring today's video and also tell you PatioWell is having a huge online sale, and I do have a code for y'all that's going to be linked down below that's going to give you 16% off your purchases. PatioWell reached out to me and asked me if I would do this review. I am having Chuck put this together for me, but I thought that this would give our space here on the side of our home some organization, and it would be more tidying and more neat, more pleasing to the eye. So we will be using this to store all of our children's bikes in, and the before and afters are so good. So I hope y'all enjoy this video today, brought to you by PatioWell. I will link all of their information down below for you guys. Here is an overview of all the parts that are included. All you need to assemble this is a Phillips head. Each item is labeled with a letter, which makes it easy to assemble. Thank you so much again to PatioWell. We really do love this little storage space for our children's bikes and toys outside. I also like that it has a front closure on it so it can securely lock. But thank you so much again to PatioWell. Here are some befores and afters, but now this space looks so tidied and clean, and I really, really love it. Thank you so much again to PatioWell.